Hi, this is Mike Strahan. I'm the Library Liaison to School of Nursing, and this is the first in a series of videos teaching you to APA style. The document that we will be using is loaded inside of your EDUCAT course. The first thing we're going to look at is a journal article authored by one individual where the DOI is assigned. The DOI is a digital object identifier. It's a unique number assigned to articles. However, only participating publishers will assign a DOI. There are also publishers out there that do not participate in a DOI initiative. Those publishers' articles would not have a DOI, and what you would do instead is provide the journal homepage web address. So looking at the first example here, we have a single author. They do not use first names or middle names. Instead, the format is as follows. They use the author's last name, followed by the first initial, capitalized of course, followed by the middle initial if they provide one. There may also be a third middle initial. You would also provide that, followed by a period, followed by a space. In parentheses, you put the year of publication of the article. You do not provide the month or the day. After that, there's a period, a space, followed by the title of the article. And you capitalize all proper names, people's, places, things. You also capitalize abbreviations and acronyms. Everything else in the title of the article is in lowercase. That ends with a period. After the space, you're going to enter the title of the journal, followed by the volume number and the issue number. The title of the journal is in italics. The comma is also in italics. The title of the journal, every significant word is capitalized. The volume number is a number. It is also italicized. Also provide the issue number in parentheses. That is not in italics. Followed by a comma, followed by a space. Then provide the page numbers, the beginning and ending page numbers for that article. It is not acceptable to just provide the first page number and put a plus sign after it or a dash after it. You have to provide beginning and ending page numbers. After that, you're going to provide the DOI number which appears on the article. You preface that with https:// followed by doi.org, followed by another slash, and then provide that DOI number. The DOI number may be all numbers, all digits. It may also be a combination of letters and digits. There is no period at the end of a DOI. For an article with two authors, similar format except after the first author's middle initial, if they provide it, put a comma, a space, an ampersand, followed by another space, and then the second author's last name and their initials. The rest of it is the same as it was for a single author. So for example, let's take a look at one of these. I have an article that I retrieved from CINAHL, and it was written by Dr. Eileen Smith, retired nursing professor here at Northern Michigan University. We have the title of the article, we have the authors, and please make sure to note that you do not provide author degrees. You do not provide any type of certification that they hold as part of the authors. You do capitalize every proper name like we talked about previously. So here's the title of the article. We have the authors. The year of publication is located up here. We also have the volume number, the issue number, and the page numbers, along with, of course, the title of the journal. Further on down, we have the assigned DOI. Now, there's no standard place where the DOI will appear on the article. Normally, it's the upper right-hand corner, or in this case, the lower left-hand corner. And this is a number that you would copy and paste as part of that reference. How that reference looks is this. You're going to have, let me blow that up for you so you can see it better. So we have the author's last name, her first initial and her middle initial, followed by an sign, followed by the second author's last name, first name, and middle initials. Please note there's a space between the author initials. It was published in 2014. Even though they capitalize in the title of the actual article itself, international setting, and some other words, APA does not do that. So we capitalize preceptorship. We also capitalize Honduran because it's a proper name. We also capitalize American. If the first word after a colon was not a proper name, we would still capitalize it. Then we provide the journal title in italics, the volume number, the issue number, the page numbers, and the assigned DOI. In this case, I split the DOI between two lines. You always, if you need to split a URL or a DOI between two lines, always have the next line begin with a slash. Also, you notice that in the examples that APA uses hanging indent. There's a setting for that in Microsoft Word under the paragraph using hanging. That works very well. That is the end of this beginning session. I'm going to break these up into partial sessions, shorter sessions, make it easier for you. Thank you.